Hello and welcome back to Miss Powers Teaches Statistics. No, math. Anyway, hey, we're talking about angles, more like trig. It's trig stuff, and I want to talk about coterminal angles today, and then we'll talk about what the definition will be. So I want to find some coterminal angles to 60 degrees. Now, coterminal literally means ending in the same spot. Terminal is your end point. Co is like the same, right? Same end. So there you go. There's your coterminal angle. So what does that mean, really? Well, we'll take a look and we'll look at some examples, and then it'll be very clear what a coterminal angle is. And so right now we're going to go with 60 degrees. So we'll go 60 degrees. And of course, that's pi over 3 radians, right? And and they're not equal though, right? So I shouldn't say equal. I should say is coterminal, right? So let's get rid of these here, and we'll say coterminal, right? That's what we're talking about. These guys are well, those are equal, but coterminal, we're going to get some more. So how do we get coterminal angles? I've talked about this before, but I don't know if I used the term. So right now I have two angles. They're coterminal, but they're the same. I have a 60 degree and a 60 degree. So let's get some more. And what I'll do is let's slide this around. As I spin it around, remember 360 degrees is all the way around. And we end up with 420. So 420 is another coterminal angle. And what did we do there? Whoops. We really did 60 plus 360. And we got 420 degrees. We got a coterminal angle. No problem there, right? I could add 360 again. Let me see. Will this let me add 360 again? It will. Let me see. Can I get it to end there? That's always the fun. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. That works. 780 degrees. Okay. Great. 780 degrees. So that's another coterminal angle. 720. And how did I get that? 420 plus 360, right? 780 degrees, right? Easy enough. Could we go negative? Can we go backwards? We talked about that a little bit. Going backwards, right? If I went too far, right? If I'm at 0, we're at 0 degrees. When we go back, well, we're spinning the other way. Instead of spinning counterclockwise, we go clockwise. We're getting a negative angle. We could totally do that. And so if I want 60 minus 360, that'll get me another coterminal angle. It should be 300 degrees, right? There we go. Negative 300 degrees, piece of cake. So we also have negative 300 degrees, and that was adding negative 360 to 60. So we have all these, and so how many coterminal angles are there to an angle? As many as you want there to be. There's a lot of them. And so there it is. There's your quick definition of what coterminal angles are. All of these are coterminal. That means also if I got tangent or sine or cosine of these angles, I'll get the same value. Now that's what's equal. So tangent of 60 degrees is going to be equal to tangent of negative 300 degrees. And I'll show you that yeah. I guess I could show you that in a calculator too really quick. Why not? Here we go. All right, so here we go. Whoops. Tangent of 60 degrees, about 1.73. And then we can go tangent, and I'm using, in this case, GeoGebra. It's easy enough typed in tangent. Their keyboard probably in there too. Negative 300. And it is in degrees, and it's making it very clear. If it didn't have the degree symbol, we're talking radians. And anyway, we're in degrees. So, and look at that. They are equal, right? I can even, just for fun, go A minus B, 0. They're equal. So that's what's really fascinating here. They are equal. And now we haven't talked about how to get exact values for these angles. That's going to be coming up next. So we're going to be finding coterminal angles, and then we're going to be finding now the trig functions of those angles. So that's coming up. So until next time, enjoy doing math.